Hello and welcome to ServiceStation TV. Today I will show you some tips on using ServiceStation Back-end, which includes navigation and basic incident fields. All users have access to the back-end, but support users, also known as ITIL, will have access to more. First, how do I get to the back-end? From the ServiceStation portal, click on Portals and go to Back-end. Here's the back-end. Let's start at the top. The search bar, I can search by a ticket number, a person's name, error message, product, or more, and it will show me the results. Settings will allow me to change the date and time format, update my theme, and modify what notifications I receive via email. Now let's talk about my view. It is currently showing the default ITIL homepage. I got to this page by clicking here and scrolling down to ITIL homepage. This will show me everything that's going on with my group, tickets assigned to me, my pending approvals, and more. To view your group's work another way, you can go to the navigator, go down to Service Desk, and access one of these options. I'm going to click on my group's unassigned work. This will show me a list view where I can also modify my columns to show what is important to me. I'm going to add the updated field and task type. I can sort by clicking on any one of these columns. I can also right-click and show matching or filter out criteria. I'm going to show matching, and that will show me only task types of incident. I can then click here, save this filter to access it at a future time. Now let's look at an incident. An incident is an issue where something is broken. It was working before and now it is not. There is an error or clearly an issue going on. An incident should not be created if a user needs access or needs something. That would be a request. Let's start with the contact field. If you click on the info button next to the name, you can see certain details about this user that will be helpful in supporting them. This information comes to ServiceStation. I can also see any other incidents this user submitted by clicking on Show Related Records. The service field is specific to assignment groups, and these teams can run trend analysis reports and more. The short description field is also a knowledge search field, and when good information is provided, the knowledge results will display. The description field should contain as much information as possible as to the issue the user is having. Watch list allows multiple users to subscribe to notifications of a ticket. Some tickets will automatically add the manager to the watch list to keep them notified. Work notes. Work notes are used to communicate information internally to other support users and are not seen by non-support users. Additional comments customer visible is used for external communication to the requester and anyone on the watch list. Both work notes and additional comments are stored in the activity log. The activity log can be filtered to see only what you want. You can turn off any of these items that you don't wish to see. But let's scroll to the bottom of the activity log and work our way up. Each ticket may be a little different depending on whether the form was submitted from the portal or was manually created. Here in this ticket, you can see that it came in from the source of ServiceStation portal. This information here is captured from what the user submitted in the form that they selected from the portal. Let's scroll back up to the top and look at a few more fields. Any attachments will show at the top. You also have here your source field, your impact and urgency, which determines your priority, and your incident state. When working a ticket, you should update the state to what the current progress. Your assigned group is here. You can click on the info button and see what it is that this team supports. You can also search and narrow your search results. Assigned to is the person that is assigned to the ticket. It is never recommended to assign directly to an individual unless this is clearly stated in their support process, but instead assign to a group. Reassignment count will show you how many times a ticket was reassigned. To easily see which groups had the ticket and for how long, we will scroll down to the Metrics tab. Here you will see how long the ticket worked by each group or person. Resolving a ticket. When the support team has fixed the issue, they will change the incident state to resolved. The Closure Information tab will then require certain fields to be entered. It is highly recommended to add very clear and concise closure notes, as these notes will go to the requester and anyone on the watch list. Thanks for watching, and if you want to learn more, please check the ServiceStation Knowledge Base, Find Answers, ServiceStation Help.